Welcome to our quantum illumination Reiki session, where I am going to do a Reiki session for highly sensitive souls, empaths as well, to balance, ground, and restore your energy. So if you are here, this is meant for you. Simply comment yes to receive. And once you've done that, go ahead and sit up straight, take in a deep breath, exhale, think the word release. Make sure you drop your shoulders. And if you feel like you need to just move your body around a little bit, go ahead and do that. And we're going to activate the first frequency. Go ahead and take in another deep breath and release. I have three healing frequencies I'm going to use for you today, and then anything else that I am called or guided to as well. Oh, you are here. This is meant for you. And I'm so grateful that you are here today. This first healing frequency, also known as talismans, keys, symbols, I like to call them healing frequencies because they vibrate so high and they are so impactful in creating transformation that are quick and soothing to your nervous system. This one is really going to be the first one to balance out your nervous system, balance out your physical, spiritual, mental, energetic body. In a deep breath, release. Just heard you are safe across the lines of time. The healing work you're doing is across the lines of time. I'm also getting really thirsty. So if you have water nearby, make sure you drink water. I will provide you with post Reiki healing tips afterwards as well, like care for you. Really give you back your power. It's my favorite story when you were in your power. And a deep breath. If you're noticing any sensations in your body, do not run from them. Breathe into them. We're going to get them to release through the quantum illumination Reiki, but I really want to encourage you to also work with it. The more we ignore it, the more it builds. We want to release that. Go ahead and take in another deep breath and release. Go ahead and add in the second healing frequency. Really want to ground your energy. I know, especially right now, depending on when you're seeing this, by the time I'm recording it, we've got a couple planets going retrograde. We've got eclipse season coming up. We've got a shift in energetic years. We're getting ready to go into Aries season. Like there's a lot of energy going on right now, and everybody experiences it different. So you want to ground your energy. You want to pull that energy out and into Mother Earth. So I want you to just take in a deep breath. And if it's safe to do so, on the exhale, I want you to imagine that this healing frequency is like pulling down your physical body, pulling everything with it that's stuck and stagnant all the way down. I'm going to guide you through this. Okay. So go ahead and take in a deep breath and release. starting at the top of your head, going all the way down your face, all the way down, 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 hitting your throat chakra, your shoulders, pulling this out, pulling all the stuck, stagnant energy into your, down through your chest, every single organ, every single cell, through your arms and your fingertips, and through your solar plexus and all your organs surrounding all the way down to your reproductive organs, all the way down sacral, to your root chakra, all the way down your back, your hips, all the way down your thighs, your knees, your shins, calves, ankles, all the way to the tips of your toes, down, 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 staying all that energy anchoring into Mother Earth as she transmutes it back to love. Taking in a deep breath and release. Now that we've really anchored your energy, we're going to also purify at a cellular level. So I want you to take in another deep breath. We're going to clear, cleanse, and wash away anything stuck, stagnant, anything that doesn't belong. And then we're also going to cellular level cleanse. This one is also great for intuitive, psychic, increasing of spiritual abilities. Don't be surprised if your abilities start to be like, well, here we are. Or even more so. And we move on to the cell. Just imagine every single one of your cells is getting cleared out, cleansed, flushing, purified, like a hydrating water drop for every single cell. Like as I said that, I heard like a water drop into like a small clear pond is what I'm seeing with my mind's eye. And it just like that ripple, that beautiful ripple effect. I want to remind you that even though you are highly sensitive and you are an empath, this is a superpower. And once you learn how to really harness this energy to cleanse, clear, and protect your energy, but also create firm boundaries, it's power. And the more low frequencies that we clear out, the less stuff, energy, whatever we take on from the collective, from those in your world, from wherever we're picking them up. So the healing work that you're doing, continue to do it because it's going to continue for you to step into your power. As I'm recording this, I'm looking at my clock. It is 3:33. So if you needed to sign, there you go. Go ahead and take in a deep breath. In just a moment, I'm going to share with you the post-healing tips. I want to remind you, you can come back to this anytime, and definitely go check out my other healing videos. I have a specific folder that all of them go into. We've got premieres for upcoming weekly healing videos, so make sure that you go check those out too. One more deep breath. and release. You can also now get certified and trained in quantum illumination Reiki. That is the kind of Reiki you received today. Is make sure you read the caption. I share with you more about quantum illumination and the specific keys or healing frequencies that you received today because it's really cool. It's really cool to learn about what it is that you're receiving and then seeing how it comes through for you. Okay. Thank you so much for receiving today and your post care tips. Make sure that I am actually really thirsty right now. So I want you to make sure that you're drinking a lot of water, increase your water intake, eat whole healthy foods, pay attention to your thoughts, aha moments, synchronicities, any emotions that surface or any sensations you're noticing in your body. This is the quantum illumination working. We work at a subconscious level with quantum illumination. So, with traditional styles of Reiki, you have to be coached through it. With quantum illumination, you actually don't have to be coached through it. The clarity will drop in, or the aha moments, we take the subconscious and it flips it to the conscious. So now it's in your awareness. This gives you your power back. So journal, spend some time in contemplation, do some grounding, maybe take a bath and practice some self-care. Comment below and let us know what you experienced. And if you're ready to get trained and certified in quantum illumination, you can DM me quantum or you can send me an email. That's easier. And I will chat with you very soon. I'll see you in the next video.